Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today guys I'm gonna make you guys some nice and lovely juice. Yes, these are all the fruits that I have guys. I have lime, I have apple, raspberry, pineapple, and you're also gonna need your sugar. I'm using granulated sugar, but you can use whatever you have. And I also have ginger guys, a must. You're definitely gonna need your ginger. And you're definitely gonna need your water guys, most definitely. Hi guys, so that's my blender there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour all my water in my blender. Just blend it up guys. Alright guys, so my juice is all finished blend. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna strain it. So here you have my strainer there. So I'm just gonna pour it in the strainer. It take a lot of patience guys, just like my other juice that I made the other day. You have to make sure everything is out of it, all the juice. Just press it down. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna strain it for at least 4 times because I want it to be very smooth. So that's my second strain. Still not smooth as yet. Still taking a bit long to go down. So that's the reason why I'm gonna do it 4 times. Alright guys, so this is my last time straining it. As you can see, it's going smoothly. This is exactly what I want. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna sweeten it for you guys. Alright guys, I'm just squeezing my lime in my strainer. Definitely need your lime guys. This is what's gonna make the juice so nice. Alright guys, so this is my favorite part. I'm gonna sweeten it. So I'm just gonna pour my sugar in there. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna taste it now to see if I need any more sugar in there. That is perfect guys, so perfect. I can taste the ginger, I can taste the lime, the sugar is just right. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put in a cup for you guys and show you guys how it look. Hi guys, so this is how my juice look in the glass. Ain't that look so good guys, and so incredible. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please like and subscribe for many other videos. And thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.